My last video was 5K 60 frames per second and I ran it. Depleted the battery. We got 101 degrees right now and there's no LEDs lit. On the front of the camera we have 107 degrees, 110 degrees. So it seems that the camera has completed its charge. Let's turn it on. 1000. Let's hit quick capture. And now let's simply do a 15-second press to reboot the camera and look for a flash. The LED is the indication that it accepted the reboot. And the only way you can find out is now to let go of the actual button for it to reset. Press the button once and the camera will come on. We are at 85% charged with no light on. Has the camera crashed during charge? Let's shut the camera off and see if we have a red battery indicator. Unless the camera has charge while the LED is out and would come on with the LED on, you know what I'm saying. We know how the camera acts. So the camera basically has more or less charge and had a booting issue. Well, is this a trouble for some, for all, or just this one camera?